Hi, so I'm Pete Posner from Big Break English, and today we're going to look at pronouncing endings of regular verbs in the past simple. Okay, so here is the task. Put the past simple forms of the verbs in the table according to the pronunciation. Okay, so the first column, we have the sound ts. This is the sound of the ed ending of the verb. Okay, so the verb is look. That's the base form, look. Look. So you can hear it's a hard consonant, and you can probably hear the air from my voice. I'll say that again. Look. Look. So in this case, we add t to the ed ending. So it becomes, in the past, looked. Okay, now, with the second column, the sound of the ed ending in the past simple is d. Okay, and this happens when the ending of the base form is a voiced sound, where you can hear a vibration or feel a vibration when you touch your throat. Let's listen. Open, open. If you say that and touch your throat with two fingers, you can feel the vibration. Open. In this case, we add d in the past, so it becomes opened, opened. Now note, for these two first columns, we do not add an extra syllable for the ed ending. So again, the base form in the first one is look, look, that's one syllable. And the past, we just add t, but no extra syllable. So it's still only one syllable, looked. And the same in this column. Open, the verb in its base form, open, and opened, opened. But in the third column, with this sound id, we do add an extra syllable, and this occurs when the verb in its base form ends in t or d. So for example, here we have the verb in its base form start. So that becomes, with an extra syllable and the sound id, started. And in this case, the second example, in the base form is need, so it ends in the sound d. So again, we add an extra syllable for the ed ending, needed. Okay, so pause this video, follow those rules, and see if you can add these verbs in their past simple endings into the corresponding columns, and then we'll check. Okay, so how did you do? Okay, so we had the second one in the first column is base form walk, and in the past simple walked. Stop, stopped. Ask, asked. Work, worked. Finish, finished. And now in the second column with the d sound, base form, open, opened in the past. Listen, listened. Discover, discovered. Love, loved. And the third column, the id column with the extra syllable. Remember, this happens when the verb in its base form ends in ts or d. So we did the first two already. The third one is in the base form decide, and in the past decided. Then want, wanted, and hate, hated. So I hope that was useful for you, and see you next time.